I want to think, and at the same time that's the last thing in the world I want to do. With blinded eyes I stared at the sky, this gray endless sky of a crazy God who had made life and death for his amusement. Everyone saves someone at least once. Just as he kills someone at least once, even though he may not know it. Come, let me kiss you. Life was never so precious as today, when it meant so little. No soldier outlives 1,000 chances. But every soldier believes in chance and trusts his luck. It is too dangerous for me to put these things into words. I am afraid they might then become gigantic and I be no longer able to master them. You take it from me, we are losing the war because we can salute too well. That's how we are afraid of our feelings, and when we become aware of them we immediately think we are swindlers. He did indeed always refer to us as swine, but there was nevertheless a CT in this tone. It makes very little difference where one lives, Kate. Some places are more comfortable than others, but it is never important. The only important thing is what one makes of it. Those who consider themselves fair are particularly ruthless. A word of command has made these silent figures our enemies. A word of command might transform them into our friends. The facts of life are simple and trivial, only our imagination gives life to them. It makes the laundry pool of facts a flagstaff of dreams. His misfortune was that he saw a cherry tree in a garden. When a man has seen so many dead, he cannot understand any longer why there should be so much anguish over a single individual. We will make ourselves comfortable and sleep and eat as much as we can stuff into our bellies and drink and smoke so that ours are not wasted. Life is short.